Hey Sparks, what's up? Hey YouTube fam. So I'm actually in Florida at my daughter's. So I was like, you know what, I'm waiting on them. I was like, let me do a quick video. So yeah, here's my hair straightened out. Many of you probably have never seen it. And yes, this is all my hair. So I wanted to just quickly today, I'm actually in Florida because my daughter got married. So I'll create a quick little video and show you what that looked like and all of that. Maybe I'll put a video at the end or a picture at the end. But very quickly, what I wanted to talk about was our credit. And the number one credit card I would never recommend that you get. I have it, I've had it for a decade, but I don't recommend it for your business, and that is Capital One Spark Visa. Here's the thing about the Capital One Spark Visa. So this card is absolutely horrible because it actually still is based on your personal credit. That's bad because your debt to income utilization, it's always going to be off a little bit, and I found that card has actually been detrimental to my credit. Okay, it's been bad. I recommend that if you're going to get a business credit card, that you get one that is not associated with your personal, your consumer credit report. American Express, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, PNC Bank. I will tell you, Discover and Capital One are the two I don't recommend because they are both going to report back to your personal credit, and that for you from a debt utilization, it's killed my credit in a lot of ways. So I paid it off. So I have a $14,000, almost $15,000 credit limit, but we were using that card. We spent $178,000 in that card last year, and it really did harm my credit when I didn't pay it off right away. So you definitely want to go after a credit card that does not report your consumer credit report. All right, now this camera, my phone gets heavy, so I'm actually going to go back in here. We're getting ready to head to the pool. So I hope that you had a fantastic Memorial Day weekend, because that's when I'm here making this video, and I'm going to post it because I didn't post my regular video on Sunday. And I hope that you have an awesome rest of the day. And yeah, this is my hair, y'all. So I use 22nd Century Natural Hair products. I love her products. Love it. This is my natural hair in the sun. So yes. All right, y'all, happy Memorial Day. Thank you to those that have served our country and died for us to have the freedom that we have, and served for us to have the freedom we have, not just died. All right, y'all, see you in the next video. Peace.